Hi everyone, welcome to the second part of Crochet Unicorn Pajamas Bag tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the horn, ears and mane of unicorn. So first we are going to crochet the horn of unicorn. Start with magic ring, use 3mm crochet hook and double yarn. I'm using silver yarn and gray yarn. Chain 1 and this chain count as single crochet because we are going to make 5 single crochets into the magic ring. So 5 single crochets in magic ring plus the chain 1 on the beginning is 6 single crochets together. And you can see I grabbed the yarn from front, not from back. I am doing this because the horn will be firmer. So if you have done 5 single crochets in magic ring, you can tighten the magic ring, so you can pull the starting tail and tighten the magic ring. And then join around with a slip stitch, and you can count from right side because it's better, and it's 5th stitch from the right side. From the left side it's 1st stitch, so make a slip stitch in the 1st stitch from the left side or in 5th stitch from the right side, not in the chain. And I'm going to work in a round, so you have to know where is the beginning of the round. So use stitch marker if you want. And now make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around and make 2 rounds together. So 2 rounds of single crochets. Okay, I have done 1 round of single crochets. Now I'm going to make 1 more round of single crochets. And at the end of the round you should have still 6 stitches. If you would like to work with chain 1 on the beginning every round and slip stitch at the end of every round, you can. Okay, now we are going to increase every second stitch all the way around, and I'm going to start to increase the 1st stitch. So make 2 single crochets in the 1st stitch. This is 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And in next stitch make just 1 single crochet. Now 2 single crochets. And continue working like this all the way around. Now make 2 rounds of single crochets, so 2 rounds without changes, without increase, without decrease. In next round we have to increase again, so increase the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch and then make just 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. It means you need to increase every 3rd stitch around. So make 2 single crochets in every 3rd stitch around. And then make 2 rounds of single crochets. And keep going this system until you have the desired length of horn, and I will finish with increase in every 5th stitch and then 2 rounds of single crochets. So after this round you should make 2 rounds of single crochets, then increase every 4th stitch, 2 rounds of single crochets, increase every 5th stitch and 2 rounds of single crochets. And I'm going to make just the last round a little different because I want to have straight edge. So finish this this round before last round with slip stitch and then chain 1. So the last round start with chain 1 and then make just 1 single crochet again in every stitch all the way around, and at the end of the round make a slip stitch. And this is how it looks like. Then just sew it to the head of unicorn with invisible stitch and stuff the horn. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make the mane of unicorn. So take 3mm crochet hook and some cotton yarn or mix of cotton and bamboo as me. And I'm going to make chain 70. You can make 60 to 70 chains. Okay, now I'm going to make just half double crochets and start in the 2nd chain and make 2 half double crochets in every chain across, and that's all. And you will make many pieces of this because you need to have many pieces of this for the mane. So it's up to you how long you will make these stripes, and it's up to you how long you will make these stripes. And at the end make a slip stitch, and that's all. That's really all. So it's easy to make it, but it takes time because you need really many stripes. And for the front part of head, I mean the head between ears, it's enough when you will make just 20 or 30 chains. Okay, now let's make the ear. So take the chenille yarn and take 5mm crochet hook or 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with magic ring, chain 1, and then make 7 single crochets into the magic ring. And the chain on the beginning you have to count again as single crochet. Then tighten the magic ring and join the round with a slip stitch. And we will work in a round again, so you will need stitch marker and you need to mark the beginning of round. And I'm going to hide the tail, starting tail behind my work, and make one single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So it will be round without chains, just round of single crochets. In next round you have to increase twice, so increase the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. And then make just 1 single crochet in few stitches to the other side. So you can make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, and on the other side you have to increase again. So now make 2 single crochets in the same space. In the same stitch make 2 single crochets. So we have increased twice in this round, and then make just 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of the round. In next round, make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. In next round, make 2 single crochets in every second stitch around. So increase the first stitch, then make just 1 single crochet, and then increase again. And continue working 2 single crochets in every second stitch all the way around. In next round, make just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Now we have to increase again, so make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, then make just 1 single crochet to the other side. So in this round you have to increase again twice. Okay, I am on the other side, and somewhere here make 2 single crochets into the same stitch, then make again just 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of the round. In next round, make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. And now we have to decrease. So decrease on the beginning of this round. So make 2 single crochets together. And I'm doing that with this invisible way. So I'm using just front loops. Okay, and then make 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. And then we will decrease again on the other side. So in this round you have to decrease twice. And now 2 single crochets together. Then make 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of the round. Now make 3 rounds of single crochets, so it will be 3 rounds without decrease, without increase, and at the end of the round make a slip stitch, and that's all. And this is how it looks like. You will make exactly the same way also the second ear, and just sew both sides of ear with yarn needle together and like this together, and then sew it to the head of unicorn with invisible stitch. Thank you for watching and see you soon.